Hi guys, this is Faisal. In this video, I am going to show you how you can download and install Eclipse IDE in your system. So let's start the video. So to download Eclipse IDE, just come to browser and search with Eclipse download and just hit enter. You will see this eclipse.org website. Just click here and it will switch to you the next page. Here you will see download packages. Just click here and it will scroll to you the package page where you can see a lots of operating system like Windows, Mac OS, Linux. It is available and it is having a different use cases, like you are going to download just for Java developer or you are going to work with Java and web developer. So if you see, scroll down, you will see the multiple ID, like it is for CC plus PHP. So multiple ID is available. If you want to work with enterprise Java web developer, you can download this one. Just click enter on the Windows and it will start downloading. But if you have a different OS, then you can download for Mac and Linux. So actually I have already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not gonna download. I will show you once you download and install how it is going to be launched. So the home page I will show you. So this is my installed one Eclipse ID, and here you see this is a welcome page where you can create a new Java web project. So whatever project you are going to work, accordingly you have to create. So let's close it and go to file, go to new and go to other. We are going to create new Java project. So select Java project and click on next. Now we have to specify project name here. So what will be our Java project name? That particular name we have to give. So for now I am giving some temporary name, so I'm typing Java temp. And once you give the project name, you have to click on next, and once you click on next, you will see this Java setting page, which you can just click on next again and click on finish. Here it is asking for module name, so we'll don't create now, so I will say no and just open perspective, so it will open our project. So once you select this, just click on finish and our Java project is ready. And these are the JRE system library which is installed already. So our project is created. Now we have to create one class, right? I'm going to type first program in the Java. So just click on new, go to the class, and in class you will see this pop-up window where we can give the class name what we are going to give. So I am typing the class name here, hello world. And here we have a option like we can select a main function and just finish it, and the class will create for us. And also main function we have already selected, so it is already created. Now I will type one program like simple systemout.println hello world. So just you type sys out and do control space, it will give the suggestion of system.out.println, and whatever you want we can mention in the double quote. So this is the programming syntax basically of Java, and just click right and run as Java application. Now our program will start running. So let's start. So here you see the output is hello world. So this way it is installed and it is properly worked. We have created one program in Java. So this was the simplest tutorial to download and install Eclipse IDE. So I hope you liked it. Then please do like, share and subscribe to Backbencher Engineer.